What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be dedicated to cleaning, but also really putting up our Christmas tree. We are expected to get a snowstorm over here in Jersey, so I figured what better way than to decorate for the holidays, especially now that Thanksgiving has passed. But before we could even start decorating, I definitely need to make sure that I clean everything up. I am also going to be making a DIY Christmas tree, so when she wakes up from her nap, she will have her own Christmas tree to decorate. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you are new, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up.
Sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby. We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 baby. Dance, 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 I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know, I know, I know, I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you. I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you. He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the battleship. So come to